Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Building Multimodal AI Apps. Creating experiences beyond just text. What is AI? It's like teaching a computer to think and understand. We've seen AI that talks, chatbots. But what if AI could also see, hear, and even create? That's what we'll explore, making AI experiences richer than ever. This lesson assumes you're new to AI, so we'll break down every concept step by step. Think of a chatbot or ChatGPT. This is Multimodal AI. It understands and generates text. From a developer's view, you send it text. It sends text back. It's like a super smart librarian who only reads and writes books. Great for answering questions or writing emails. But what if you showed it a picture? It would be lost because it only understands words. Imagine an AI that can not only read and write, but also see images, hear sounds, and understand videos. This is multimodal AI. It combines different modes of information. For developers, this means your apps can now interact with users in more natural, human-like ways, not just through typing. It's like an AI with eyes and ears. Why bother? Because the real world isn't just text. If you're building an app, accessibility, help visually impaired users see images by describing them. Understanding, ask, what's in this picture? And get an intelligent answer. Creativity, generate a story from a picture. Or music from a mood. Natural interaction, talk to your app, show it things, not just type. As a developer, this opens up a world of possibilities for more engaging, intuitive, and useful applications. How does an AI understand both a picture and text? Think of it like a universal translator. 1. Input. You provide different types of data. A photo, a voice command, some text. 2. Encoding, embeddings. The AI takes each type of data and translates it into a common numerical language it understands. It's like converting all sensory information into a single thought format. 3. Processing. The AI then processes these thoughts together to understand the combined meaning. 4. Output. It generates a response, which could be text, an image, or even a sound. As a developer, you often interact with APIs that handle this complex translation for you. So you don't need to worry about the deep math. Good news. You don't need to build these complex AI brains from scratch. Just like you use pre-built libraries for web design, developers use powerful, pre-trained models and APIs. Application programming interfaces. APIs. These are like buttons you press in your code to send data, image, text, to an AI service and get a response back. Models. These are the actual AI brains, trained on massive amounts of data to understand different modes. You call these models through APIs. It's like hiring a super smart expert for your app to handle the heavy lifting. The possibilities are endless. Here are some exciting ideas you could build. Smart photo albums. Ask, show me pictures of my dog at the beach, and the AI finds them, even if you never tagged them. Interactive learning. An app that explains objects in a picture when you point your camera at them. E.g., identifying plants or landmarks. Creative assistance. Generate an image of a futuristic city based on this description and this soundscape. Advanced voice assistance. Understand both your voice command and the context of what's on your screen. As a developer, you can start building these exciting and innovative experiences today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.